Hey guys, today I'm to show my guava. Look at that. I'm growing guava plant. Lots of guava together. Really, I'm growing because indoor I'm growing. I don't know outside it will work or not. So I'm growing indoor. So guys, I'll make separate when they are more bigger on the summer. Guava leaves have very good medicinal value. I know how much I researched. Guys, you know what? Always, you guys, if you want to buy any seed, any plant, just you can contact with me on YouTube Messenger or Facebook Messenger like this, guys. Make sure, guys, and also if you want any advice, I can advise you from my experience. Um, guys, this guava growing very easily. What happened, guys? Before I tried to grow guava as well, but maybe it is calm, but I throw it, I pick and throw it. I think maybe this is, uh, you know, nothing for. I don't understand it. Recognize this is guava plant. So this time I can recognize because I'm growing indoor. Because sometimes wood as a look like this plant. So I'm thinking like it is a natural tea I make from uh, turmeric, ginger, clove. I give little tea bag as well, and it's very light. And I put little coffee smell, so it's light hot, not too much hot. So today I wake up very early and I go outside to join with my accountant because I moved city. I try to join in new accountant because another city I don't want to go really for wasting time, energy, whatever, and even money matter. You have to pay, and now coronavirus. I don't want to do journey. I'm not driving yet. Yeah, I give money for take driving lesson, but matter is I have to pass theory first. And theory, for I can't do study at the moment because I'm too much busy for my company really, and for that really at the moment I'm mood for company work, not for theory test. So maybe in few months I will give theory test, and if I pass, then I will take lesson. Then like this. I want my car really very as soon as possible because public transport really is so boring. I don't like it. And for my business also, uh, my own car is very important really. So guys, pray for me. I want to pass my theory test because I have no mood to study at the moment for theory. So this happening. Anyway, maybe in few months I will give time for theory test, study, practice. I buy CD for that for my theory test. Anyway, mm, guys, of course you should grow guava. This is maybe pink guava. They'll also plant together. Together is good because in my room, in one room I keep only to grow plant. I make plan when I come from another city. One room would be the 5 rooms really. So one rooms only I keep for food. This is my food factory or green factory. The most of area is for growing plant. So when plant are so little, especially uncommon plant, they need too much look after. And I know guava baby plant how look like. So this one I'm showing in YouTube really, guys, look like this. young guava. So uh, also this year I'm growing lots of baby pig tree from seed, and I have some from branch, like drafted one. So guys, because it's very costly, drafted ones, you can't buy unlimited. Like how much big size garden I have, at least 25, 30 fig tree I can grow by small in pot. Uh, if in the soil, it is, I don't want to grow in there, in the soil really. Soil also